Hello YouTube, I am here with another magnificent knife or multi-tool, as you can call. I bought this from the Switzerland, the flagship shop, the biggest shop, one of the biggest shops of Victorinox. This is Swiss Tool BS, blackened. They made it for the army, as they said to me. As you can see, they have a roller here and a plier, very reliable. And the height is 18 millimeters and the length is 115 millimeters and the weight is 312 grams. And blackened multi-tool has 27 functions. I'm looking at my iPad now, which is 1 to 27, 1 to 25, sorry. Pliers, wire cutter, hard wire cutter, wire crimping tool, cup rimmer, large blade with wavy edge, wood saw, metal file, rimmer punch, can opener, screwdriver, 3 millimeters, bottle opener, screwdriver 5 millimeters, wire blender, Phillips screwdriver 1/2, screwdriver 2 millimeters, screwdriver 7.5 millimeters, strong crate opener. I don't know what this is, but strong crate opener. That's what it says in the internet. Chisel 7 millimeter and scraper, wire stripper, wire scraper, ruler in inches, ruler in centimeters. Let's see how it holds. The nice thing about this knife, I like that every part of it is blackened and all of their parts has a locking mechanism here. If you want to open the for example screwdriver, it also locked. That's a big safety issue for me. If you want to open a bottle, it also locked. There is its notch to close. And when you completely turn it back, this is the most useful tool for me in this multi-tool knife, I should say, the plier. You always need a plier in the woods or wherever you are. It has a Phillips screwdriver, like I said, also locked. All features in this knife is locked, except the plier. And sturdy. Comes with a sheet like this, or a little sheet. But I think this one is a better choice because 312 grams is really heavy stuff. And has a belt hook on it. You don't need anything else in the woods. Thank you for watching.